Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can set a reminder and create a task for yourself on Google Calendars. The process of creating a reminder or a task is similar to scheduling a meeting. First of all, open Google Calendars. Then, select the date and time at which you want to set the reminder or a task and select what you want to create, that is, a reminder or a task. Let's select task here first. Here, enter the task title and then its further details. And click on Save to create the task. Once the task has been completed, click on that task and click on Mark Completed to complete that task. Now that we have created the task for making quarterly presentation, let's create a reminder to share the presentation before the meeting starts. Here, enter what you want to be reminded of. And click on Save, and as you can see, reminder has been saved. Once you have been reminded and you have done that, click on that reminder and click on Mark as Done. So this is how you can create tasks and reminders in Google Calendars. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.